Ever wondered how an ancient civilization built something so massive and complex that it still stands today? Let us travel back in time to ancient Rome and uncover the secrets of one of the greatest architectural marvels in history, the Colosseum. It all started back in 70 AD under the rule of Emperor Vespasian. After a period of civil war and extravagance, Vespasian wanted to give something back to the Roman people, a grand gesture to win their favor and showcase the power of his new Flavian dynasty. And what better way to do that than with the largest amphitheater the world had ever seen? The site they chose was a drained lake on the grounds of Emperor Nero's lavish golden house. This was a clever political move, reclaiming land Nero had taken for his private pleasure and returning it to the public. The construction was a monumental undertaking, funded by the spoils of war from the sack of Jerusalem. Imagine tens of thousands of workers, including skilled engineers, artists, and a massive labor force, all coming together for this one project. The Romans were absolute master engineers, and the Colosseum is a testament to their genius. The foundation alone was an incredible feat, a 12-meter-deep ring of concrete designed to support the immense weight above it. The structure itself was built using a combination of different materials. For the main pillars and ground floor, they used heavy travertine limestone, which had to be transported from quarries over 20 miles away. Then, for the upper levels, they used lighter materials like tufa and brick-faced concrete. This clever use of materials was crucial for reducing the overall weight and stress on the structure. And have you ever seen those iconic arches? They aren't just for looks. The Romans perfected the use of the arch, which allowed them to build higher and stronger than ever before. The Colosseum features 80 arches on each of its first 3 levels. This system of arches and vaults distributed the weight evenly, creating an incredibly stable and durable building. It also created a network of corridors and staircases, known as vomitoria, that could allow over 50,000 spectators to enter and exit the massive arena in just a matter of minutes. Think about that, 50,000 people finding their seats efficiently almost 2,000 years ago. That's better than some modern stadiums. Amazingly, the entire construction was completed in just 10 years, a remarkable achievement for the time. In 80 AD, Vespasian's son, Titus, inaugurated the Colosseum with 100 days of spectacular games. These weren't just simple fights. They included gladiator contests, wild animal hunts, and even mock naval battles, where the entire arena floor was flooded with water. The Colosseum was more than just a stadium. It was a complex machine. Beneath the arena floor was the hypogeum, an elaborate 2-level labyrinth of tunnels and cages. This underground world housed gladiators, animals, and all the stage machinery. A sophisticated system of elevators and trapdoors allowed for dramatic entrances, bringing fighters and beasts up into the arena as if from nowhere, adding to the spectacle and thrilling the crowds. The Colosseum served as the beating heart of Roman entertainment for nearly 4 centuries. But as the empire declined, so did the Colosseum. Earthquakes caused significant damage over the years, and its precious stone was quarried for other building projects around Rome. Yet, despite centuries of neglect and natural disasters, this incredible structure has survived. It stands today not just as a ruin, but as a powerful symbol of Roman ingenuity, power, and culture. It's a timeless reminder that with vision, skill, and a whole lot of hard work, you can create something that truly lasts for an eternity. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey back to ancient Rome. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure into history. See you next time.